Hi everyone, this is Keisha from Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin yung reaction video ang part 2 ng ating Cat 10 compilation. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Kasi ang dami nilang ganap, hindi pwedeng hindi natin gawan. Sino yun? Ay, ano ba yan? Ayoko niyan. Ayoko niyan. Ay. Sa LA to? Yeah, indeed, sa LA to, di ba? Minion ko lang talaga, guys. Pero, um, babalik at babalik pa rin yung yung kanta. Ganun pa din. Ang gwapo ni Tisoy. Okay, what's next?
This is an instant classic, almost comparable to like a Filipino version of The Notebook. What do you guys say?
Wow!
Thank you.
Talaga?
Wow, that's my favorite.
Yeah, the first guy, you're the first one to tell us that.
Yeah, thank you.
If your character had one piece of advice about love to the audience, what would it be?
Ito yun eh.
From my learning, siguro from Joy's character, I would say,
Ay, Joyce
don't
character
be too
pala.
scared
Akala ko
to
Kath
fall in love
character. Kanina, Gina G pa
Because,
naman ako.
as you've seen, in her character, right? Sorry, spoiler alert. Whatever it is or whatever it was that happened between, Joy and Ethan really affected her, and I just think that it's just fair or it's just nice to say hello to love again.
Again.
It's a beautiful feeling, and you shouldn't let your past or your bad experiences ruin your perception of love.
Oh! Totoo naman. Ay, ang cute ng mag-bestie na to. Sino to? Sino to mag-bestie na to? Oh, sa bicep talaga nakahawak ng kamay. Sino yun?
Yes, go ahead.
Oo, napanood natin to na may balak nga daw may balak nga daw what do you call this?
Actually, if I could have this bag, I'm gonna go ahead and give
Yes,
this
go
to you.
ahead.
May balak daw what do you call this? Bakasyon sa US. And ang time ni Kat daw ang pinaka-mahal niyang tinigado. Ay, alagang-alaga. Ay, may kiss pa talaga? Yung totoo. Ay, may kiss pa talaga. Talaga ba? Talaga ba? Putang ina din. Sorry.
God, thank you for
With Kuya Artie.
Thank you for rain.
Ano si Kuya Artie? Si Kuya Artie ang kasama ni Alden. Nagpo-photo. Ay, yung kuya niya? Ano yan? Ay, yung kamay nila. Yung kamay nila, okay. Ay, Daddy Alden. Lang bang bumalik? Kakiusap ko na huwag ka nang tumingin. Mamaya na ako manonood. Charis, sana may ticket pa. Pero nag-book na ako online, hindi pa kino-confirm. Azar. Isang sinihan lang yun dito sa amin sa Damama, pero sa Kubar isa din, sa Dharag isa din, pero malayo na kasi yun sa akin. Ano na naman, akla? Ay, ano to? Ah, yung sa birthday to, matagal na to eh. Matagal na to. Ay, akala ko si Nora Honor. Charis. Pa-picture na tayo. Ay, sa GMA to. Sa GMA to na labi. Alam ko to. Ito, gustong-gusto ko talaga to. Oh, may nag-hug sa'yo. Wala daw, wala. Oh my God, I love this. Wala daw, wala. Wala daw. I love this. Best in paliwanag for today's video. Best in paliwanag. Maganda pa tayo ng iba yung ay, sa asap. Gustong-gusto ko talaga ito yung holding hands nila for today's video. Nanggigigil talaga ako. Sa totoo lang. Best in gigil for today's video. Ang ganda ni Catherine, nakakainis. Bagay talaga sila. Kayo na lang, please. Charis. Pinilit ba? Yan yung hahawakan niya sana kaso hindi niya mahawak-hawakan. Nag-hesitate siya. Pero ngayon, wala nang magagawa. Walang makakapagpigil sa kanilang dalawa for today's video. Yung mga gestures ng Kat 10, actually, iba talaga. Iba talaga ang gestures nila. I couldn't agree more for today's video. Sa totoo lang, ibang-iba. Ano ba? Napanood na namin yan, oo. Kat 10, ay saan to? Ay, napanood ko na din to. Ay, grabe, ito ang hindi ko napanood. Grabe, natingin ni Alden. Ay, putang ina, sorry. Ngayon ko lang ito napanood. Ay, grabe. Alden, di kita dikit. Grabe si Alden. Uy, Alden. Ano ba? Napakaloka kasi. Uy, ngayon ko lang ito napanood, dear. Alden, totoo ba? Ay, saan to? Si Miss Ai? Matagal na to, I know.
So, nangliligaw ka ba?
Eto. Nanliligaw nga siya. Ano ba? Ayoko yung mga ganyan na nasasaktan si Kat. Charis. Wait lang, maghahanap tayo ng mga video. Maghanap tayo ng mga video and everything. Diba? Kailangan natin maghanap for today's video. May mga maraming bago actually. Maraming bago talaga, I swear. Ay, ito. 29 minutes ago. Ay, napanood na natin yan sa isang video ko. Ay, ngayon ko na ito nakita. Touchdown. Ay, talaga bang nakaliin ang ulo ko? Yan na, jogging nakapali ang lieg ka noon.
So Ethan and Joy,
Kaya asal noon ang peg.
expecting
Charis.
this kind of welcome when you were coming here today. Not really. We're just
Were you expecting it this way?
yeah.
Not really
Hindi
that.
naman po masyado siguro, but we're just very excited, you know, that this is our first leg for our international tour for Hello Love Again, and we're just very happy with the performance of the film internationally, and we're just surprised, and so we're just so very blessed with the achievements that we are able to accomplish with this film. So maraming salamat po.
Yeah.
See all these people around you, all your fans here in Los Angeles, especially you're going to have special screenings and the Asian World Film Festival. How does it feel, and how did to see that everybody's you're doing breaking box office records in the Philippines too?
We're very, very proud, of course, and this is a first for us as well.
Ngayon ko lang ito napanood. Si Tisoy parang nakayo ko, nahihiya. Nahihiya yarn.
The support we've been getting is really, really overwhelming, and we really appreciate it. And every time we visit LA naman, excited lang kami because one, ang daming Pinoys dito. Grabe yung warm na naman every time pumupunta. And second, of course, it's us representing our home networks, GMA Pictures and ABS-CBN as well. So, pag pumunta kami sa awarding tomorrow, nakaka-proud na bilang Pinoy na maging part tayo ng ganung klase.
It's an honor. Yes, po.
And what do you guys expect to once you guys are on stage and talking to all these Asia viewers that are going to watch the show and watch it from the Asian World Film Festival?
Yeah, we're excited to tell the world
Tingnan mo yung mga damit nila, napakasimple lang.
Filipinos are
No? Simpleng-simple lang talaga sila.
that we're able to bring to the table globally. I think that's just something that we are proud of, and it's high time that we showcase that to the whole world. And we're just very excited and we're very grateful. Kat, last time you were here was for Very Good Girl. So parang
Very good, girl.
schedule, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Alright, actually tapos na yan guys. There you go guys, that is our for today's video. Our Kat 10 na nasa US na mga interviews and everything. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!